Okay, let's give this a try. Oh my god, that's so fast! Are you tired of seeing the same old HenLoader logo every time? Wouldn't it be awesome to have something that truly feels like yours? Welcome to my channel! Today I'll show you how to create your own very own personalized PS4 HenLoader logo for your disc so that every time you pop it in, you're greeted with something unique and special, designed exactly the way you like it. And that's not all. I'll also be sharing a follow-up video about the new Auto HenLoader AIO, which automatically selects the jailbreak for you. No extra steps, no hassle, just insert the disc and boot it up. So stick around for this exciting 2-in-1 journey. Let's dive in together and make your PS4 experience truly yours. Let's go! First, download the ISO. Inside, you'll find the included homebrew apps which allow you to complete the jailbreak entirely offline without needing to install them one by one. For future app updates, you can update either online or through USB offline method. Both options will work. Next, go to download section and choose Mirror 7 to get IMG burn. And of course, make sure to install it. After installing IMG burn, open your preferred logo editor app and start creating your design. For example, in Canva, simply select Create, then scroll down to Custom Size. From there, you can make a PNG logo with dimensions like 512 by 512, 1280 by 720, or even up to 1920 by 1080, depending on your taste and preference. Well, this is a sample of my created logo at 512 by 512 pixels, which will be used later on. And here's another at 1920 by 1080. Remember to download the image in PNG format. The file size doesn't matter. What's important is that you create it with the proper dimensions and resolution. Once the ISO image and your logo are ready, begin by mounting the HenLoader AIO ISO. I recommend opening it with Windows Explorer. If a pop-up appears, just select Open. You'll then see all the files contained in the ISO. The next step is to copy those files into a newly created folder, which you can name however you like. Or simply drag and drop. After finishing the copying process, locate the folder named BDMV. Open it, then navigate into the Meta folder, followed by DL. Inside, you'll find a sort of mini workbench. This is where you can customize and work your magic on the logo and text. Begin by editing the text you want to display when the disk is recognized by the PS4. Right-click on the BDMT HTML file and choose Edit with Notepad. As shown in the video, there are two areas to edit, the DI name and the DI title name. Make sure the text you want to display is identical in both fields. You can make it even more personalized by adding an emoji. Just hold the Windows key and press the period button on your keyboard to open the emoji panel, then pick whichever one you like. Some users mentioned that not all emojis may work, but in my experience, everything has been fine. I tested around 5 to 7 different ones and they all displayed perfectly on my PS4. Once you've finished editing the first text, simply copy and paste it into the other field. And don't forget to save your changes. Just go to File menu and select Save. Now it's time to replace the logo. Locate the custom logo you created and copy it into the DL folder alongside the existing ones. In this video, I'm using the 512 by 512 pixel version. Once copied, you can delete the other logos to ensure that only the one we made will display on the PS4 when the disc is recognized. Make sure you remember the exact name of the logo file, including its format. For example, mine is written in all caps as AutoHen, and since it's a PNG file, it should appear as autohen.png when you reach the editing step. Simple and straightforward. Let's do this! Once you've entered the logo's file name, open the file menu and select Save to apply the changes. We don't need the mounted ISO file anymore, so you can go ahead and eject it. After editing the files in the duplicate ISO, the next step is to ready that folder and create a new ISO from it. Launch IMGBurn to begin the process. Make sure a BDRE disk is inserted, then select Write Files, Folders to Disk. From here, instead of using the drag and drop method, I'll show you another way to add the file in IMGBurn by browsing for it and selecting it directly. Confirm you've selected the correct folder with the files. Then go to Options, set data type to mode 12048, choose UDF as the file system, and set the UDF revision to 250. Then at the bottom, you don't need to touch anything. Just make sure the Verify option is checked. Once everything is set up, click Build. You don't need to change anything here. Just click Yes to proceed. We are now in the process of building the ISO. If your disk drive is not automatic, you'll need to manually reinsert the disk tray. Just follow the prompts to continue. If you hear this sound, congratulations! Your disk is ready to go. You can now close all windows and grab the disk so we can check it out on the PS4. Voila! Our customized 512 by 512 disk logo is ready, complete with the newly added text. On the other side, here's a sample of the 1920 by 1080 pixel logo I created, which I personally think is the best option. To try out the new Auto HenLoader AIO Jailbreak, simply boot the disk. From this point, I kept the footage uncut to show just how convenient PS4 jailbreaking has become, especially on firmware 12.52, as long as you have a working disk drive. In my opinion though, the offline USB method for firmware 9.00 and WebKit method up to 9.60 remain the best options overall. For first-timers or doing fresh installs, right after the successful jailbreak with this disk, go straight to GoldHen, Debug Settings, and then open Package Installer. You will see your homebrew apps ready to deploy. Just hit Install All. I won't be doing it here since mine are already installed. You will find all the helpful links and files in the video description below. Now let's try a PS4 game! Your PS4 HenLoader disk is now upgraded into an all-in-one package with built-in apps ready for offline jailbreak. Thanks to the Auto Select feature, the process runs at super speed, making it best choice for firmware 12.52 owners. Just insert the disk and boot. That's it! And while enjoying the lightning-fast jailbreak, you'll also have your own custom logos and personalized text with an emoji, giving your HenLoader disk a unique look and enhancing your overall PS4 modding experience. I hope you enjoyed this 2-in-1 video and found it helpful. If you have any questions or if I missed something, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so we can reach more people who need console help and save them time with our tips and tricks. Thank you for sticking with me until the end. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace and love!